Hey guys, it's uCANall channel here, and this is moving day. This is big day. I got my truck, uHaul 15 feet truck, and I am going to drive it like second time in my life. Need to clean up the snow just a bit, and yeah, we're like about to start my moving. So with my one of the best friends, so Alex, he's going to help me today, and we're going to move. And I believe, guys, if you're going to do the same, it's actually not that hard if you think. So you can do it, you can handle it yourself. It's no problem. It's much cheaper than try to hire some movers guy like professional. Of course, if you have a huge house, it's better to probably hire somebody just to keep your back health, you know, guys. But yeah, let's get things started. Quick advice, guys. As experienced guy myself, I'm doing the second time in my life. So don't forget to check everything before moving. Like check your lightings, like check your turn signals, everything. Everything should be okay from outside, you know. Just go and check everything. This is 15 feet truck, so check, like it should be no broken stuff, like all these corners, it should be just okay, you know. Don't forget to check it inside. It should be everything inside what you actually paid for, you know. And check like the level of fuel, make some picture of the fuel level, and it should be just fine, guys. So let's go ahead. Okay guys, so this is the type of friends you gotta need to have, you know. I didn't ask him to bring these steps, so he just have it. I don't know from where, so we are not going to use it because it's not so heavy stuff we just got here, and it's going to be much easier, I believe. But anyway, can you imagine this? So I wish you guys to have such a good type of friends, you know, guys. And that's how it looks like from this point. Not a bunch of boxes, I should say, because I was able to handle a lot of stuff just by driving my SUV. Some mattress and not a bunch of stuff, guys. So let's get things started. I believe it's going to take us not a lot of time, and it should be just okay. This is where I park my truck. You can see it. It's snowing, almost Christmas. And just for the history, this is December 22nd. And yeah, the day is just going to be really productive. So guys, this is just my garage in here with Alex just behind me. Not a bunch of stuff we got here, I should say. We were trying to keep things simple, you know, guys. That's why I don't have a bunch of stuff. And as I said, I was able to handle a lot of stuff just by driving my SUV, maybe like 6 times, I believe. And that's it, like, and that's what we have. A couple of tables inside, and that's how it's working. This 15 feet truck, you can use this tool in here. Not sure how to say it. And that's how it's working. So don't forget to check some video on my channel. It should be already about review about this house, about pros and cons, and why I decided to move from here. That's how it looks like from outside. It's called bungalow. It's pretty beautiful, and this is a nice area, guys, I should say. But it's time to move to another place, and you will see in another video or something in this video about this new apartment. So we're going to move to apartment exactly before Christmas time. Okay guys, just quick update. So we're wrapping up here. This is how it looks like. It's actually almost full, I should say. And at first it looks like we have a bunch of stuff, you know, guys, but actually like 15th truck just almost full. We still have some space unused, but yeah, anyway, this is how it looks like. It's time to move to a new apartment. I will try to get it done before sunset. So we did it, guys. That's how it looks like. This is kind of messy in here. It took us, I believe, about 1 hour, but we were moving like really fast. It was like we were trying to rush. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's about this moving experience. I'm going to get it back, this truck. I'm going to return it today. The price was, yeah, let's talk about numbers. The price was about $75 for this truck for 1 day. And $75, I believe, I spent for all these boxes, everything, like packages, everything. In total, it's not going to be more than $200 for me. So if you have good friends, and they could help you to get things done, to move, so you can save a lot of money just doing it yourself. I believe like at least 1,000 you can save. And yeah, just some inside. stay tuned, guys. So guys, this is going to be our first eve here, first evening. So, but it's not the Christmas today, it's December 22nd, it's still December 22nd. I'm exhausted, I'm just after shower and I'm wearing my pyjama, by the way. And this is our Christmas tree. And this is kind of messy over here, just it's going to be like this overnight, like for sure. And even, you know, even like biking here. Because I will try to handle, to figure out where to keep this, maybe on my balcony or somewhere. And this is going to be first night in here. And yeah, that's about this moving vlogging actually, I guess. Not sure how it's going to look like this vlog, but yeah, anyway, thank you for watching this one. And check another video on my channel out, like my moving from Toronto to St. Catharines. Now I'm here in St. Catharines again. I'm moving from house. I just moved in from house to this apartment. And yeah, guys, it should be interesting for you. So don't forget to explore this as well. Okay guys, so I'm wrapping up my moving stuff, guys. It was just ridiculously intensive. It was it was insane, guys. It was so difficult to get done, you know, like if you never even tried to move from a house to apartment, it's like almost not possible, because like the size of the house, like much bigger than your apartment probably going to rent. You know, okay, this is 2-bedroom apartment, almost like 1,000 square feet. And this house just 1,300, I believe, square feet. So almost the same, but it's not the same like at all. It just may looks like the same, but it's not. It's so a bunch of stuff what we were trying to move from here, and we would actually, as a gift, we just take away like a bunch of stuff just for charity, you know. Just we have some store in here. I believe you may have in your city, you may have the store called Goodwill, and you can just give somebody this stuff. They will sell it, and so this store getting like some jobs for anybody who work in this store, and like win-win situation, you know, guys. But if you have like good stuff, not the bad stuff. Like for example, for us it was like vacuum cleaner, like we've got 2, you know, guys. So one of them we decided to just give away, you know, and that's how it's working. So this Goodwill store, some inside for you if you move in as well, so you can use the store to give away some stuff, you know. And here, guys, this is an almost empty house. I've got something like I need to remove something like this stand from my TV, you know, and this mounted on the wall. I need to remove it, and this is almost done. Like it took me about 1 week to get done with my wife, of course. And guys, it's not easy, but this is definitely worth it. If you try as myself to reduce your monthly expenses, for example, just moving from here, we will save like at least $800 per month for 1 year, just because we decided to move to apartment. And you know, I'm like apartment guys, and the same for my wife. This was first time in my life experience when we were living in the house. We've tried, and I will create some video and explain why exactly we decided to move from a house to apartment, and why actually we're doing this. And maybe it will a good reason for you if you just considering to move to Canada, what you're going to rent, what is better for you, house or apartment. We've been living in Canada for almost 3 years, and this is our 3rd moving. So before it was 1 year in Toronto apartment, then almost a year and a half here in this house, and next step in our life is going to be this apartment. And yeah, guys, so I'm going to create some video review about my new apartment, so you will see how we're going to live, and you can compare to what I've got here. And I will explain for all prices you will get, and you understand for everything, like you can compare. And I will create this video for this already should be on my channel about review about this house when it was with furniture. Now it's empty. You can see like some empty stuff in here. And yeah, guys, so don't forget to check this out. This video should be on my channel, and about pros and cons, why we decided to move, and I will explain actually like everything, guys, you know. And yeah, guys, so I'm wrapping up in here. This is, I believe, my last time in this house. It was our home for almost a year and a half. It was a nice experience, not the best ever, but it was good, it was bad, so that's about pros and cons. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this one. And I want to give you something else, you know, before I forgot. So some insights about this movement. Let's make like some summary. If you're trying to move from a house to apartment, do it ASAP. Probably don't rent a huge house, because you will get a bunch of stuff and you will have a place where you can keep it in your house. For us, for example, it was like one room for some garbage, I don't know, like, it wasn't garbage, it was like toys, for example, and you have this extra space, which actually you should not have, like a new space, and that's why it was so difficult to move. That's why we a bunch of stuff we needed to give away. So it's ridiculously difficult to move from a house. And let's imagine you're trying to rent something bigger house, like four bedroom house. How to move from this house, guys? It's almost impossible. So if you want to try to live in a house, probably try to rent some smaller house and just try to live and do not have a bunch of stuff, because if you will need to move to any other place, you stuck. You have too much stuff in your house, you know, guys. Another takeaway: if you're going to move, just rent a uHaul truck. You know, it's not difficult to drive. For example, if you have like full G driver license, you should be absolutely okay, and you should be able to move easily by yourself. So go ahead and just rent a uHaul truck. It was the price for me. It was about $75, as I said, for rental for truck, and $75 for all these boxes for everything. By the way, if you have unused boxes from the uHaul, you can actually return, and you will get some money back. And that's something I'm going to do today. And yeah, so you can handle it. Just if you're lucky to have some good friend, just ask for help. You can help. You can get this help today, and someday you can help to your friends, you know, guys. And by the way, we didn't get some like cheap apartment or something. No, we got really good apartments, and two-bedroom apartment, really good, much better than this one. Like, it's newer, and it's everything like newer, you know, guys. It's like it was just renovated, and it's a really good apartment. So I will create some video about this apartment, and you can check this out on my channel. You can explore it by yourself. Okay, guys, never stop being an explorer. It's going to be some travel adventure on my channel soon, I believe. And thank you for watching this one. I'll try to catch you in the next one. Bye bye, guys. Peace out.
Construction, rush through barricades, levitate.